Hello and welcome to Ekaite's Kitchen. This is a quick video on how I cook Efik style Isi Ewu, which we call Ibout Ebot in my Efik language. Our method is different, so watch and enjoy. The main ingredient is the head of a goat. The fur is already burnt off. The goat head was not cut into smaller pieces, so I was forced to cook it whole. Other required ingredients are onions or hot peppers, Ewun, Ntong, Bouillon Seasoning, palm oil, and water. You can add salt if you want. After rinsing the goat head with clean water to remove dry blood and packaging debris, I brought it to a boil with pieces of goat meat. This is to increase the meat servings. I like to cook the goat head with bouillon seasoning, chopped onions, and peppers. I poured enough water into the pot and allowed the goat head to cook until the meat softens. I allowed the cooked goat head to cool before cutting the meat into bite-sized pieces. The next step is to heat the palm oil on medium heat, add chopped onions and peppers, and cook until the onion is tender. Chopped Ntong and Ewun is added to create a flavorful palm oil sauce. I like to add the pieces of the meat in small batches, stirring until it is well incorporated. Adding 1½ cups of water prevents the meat from drying out while cooking. You can add more water if you like your meat to be well coated with the palm oil sauce. I would add more water if I was eating the Ibout Ebot with boiled plantains, like how it's typically eaten in Calabash. After 10 minutes, the Ibout Ebot is ready. I like to add more Ntong for aesthetic reasons and for added flavor. Remove from heat and serve warm with a bottle of cold beer and/or palm wine. I made this for a romantic dinner with my husband. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Ekaite's Kitchen.